say, just want to learn about your service, what you guys do, and the pricing.
Yeah.
What's the first question to get them going down the right path?
Yeah, when you say you want to learn about our service, can you give me a specific example?
Yeah, just what it is that you guys do. We do outbound lead generation, a little bit about how you guys are able to do that.
Yeah, what prompted you guys to be looking at, what are you doing for outbound lead generation right now?
Perfect.
You know, see how I can direct it? Now, all I did, and I didn't even know what you were going to say, I just took key parts of what you said. Instead of just, and by the way, this is the mistake that sales rep make all the time. First mistake, we're not even really listening to what the person's saying. We're just waiting for an opportunity to talk, right? And it's weird, like no matter what they say, our answer's the same. Great, we can help you with outbound lead generation. Right? Well, what prompted you to start looking? Oh, we just needed some outbound. When you said outbound lead generation, what are you doing for outbound leads right now? We're not doing anything. You're not doing anything? Yeah. Well, why did you want to add them to? Well, we want to grow the business. When you say you want to grow the business, where are you at right now? And let's just say you could get great leads. They're qualified leads, easy to follow up on. They're targeted for exactly what you want. If you had the leads, how much capacity do you guys, by the way, this is a terrific question. If you had the leads, how much capacity do you guys have? Like at what point can you guys not sell anymore? At what point can you guys service those leads? And just out of curiosity, where are you at right now? We're a smaller company. We've got three people. I'm doing all the sales myself. But here's the thing. I have got a line on 4 other warehouse technicians that I would love to hire. I know who they are. They're actually cousins of one of the guys that works here. They want a job. I just don't have the orders to fulfill. So on order fulfillment, I could do $8, $9, $10 million. And I already have the square footage. I own my building and I have 4 other people. Okay, I'm doing all the lead follow-up right now. And we're doing 1.2 million. If you were to continue to do all the lead follow-up yourself, how much more could you do? That's a good question. I mean, I want to have some sort of personal life. We could probably do 2.5. Great. If I could get you enough leads to do, say, 8, 9, 10 million, and sounds like the warehouse is good, do you have a plan to hire somebody else to take those leads? Absolutely. Absolutely. Right? My daughter's getting ready to graduate college. I would love to hire her. We're on that weird precipice where there's just not the business for her. Awesome. When would she be available to jump in? I mean, I could get her to start working here in about 4 months. Listen to how that person's going to leave that conversation instead of going, hey, I called 3 companies. One of them's $7 a lead. One of them's 50 cents a lead, and one of them's $14 a lead. Hey, I talked to 3 companies, right? 2 of them are garbage. One of them's $14 a lead. Okay, but here's the cool thing. They're going to get us leads that are ultra targeted. They're not going to waste our time. I can bring Bella in to start working for the company. We know Randy's got those 3 cousins that want to work in the warehouse. I'm going to start with, because it's a nice risk, I'm going to start with $15,000 for them. Okay, as long as they deliver on those leads, we're going to bring Randy's people in next, and then within about 3 months, what I'd like to do, honey, is I'd like to have Bella start working for us. Man, that's a great plan. I'm so glad you found those guys. But if they just said, hey, we're looking for better options to meet our lead generation leads. Awesome, I can help you with that. We have the best leads in the business. How much are your leads? $14. Ooh, 14 bucks. All right, thanks. I need to think about it. 50-cent leads? Hi, sign me up. Honey, I spent $5,000 on marketing and these leads are garbage. I have 3,000 leads. I can't even follow up with them. Half of them are numbers in countries that I didn't even know existed. That was stupid. Yeah, I told you marketing is a waste of money, right? Like sometimes we have to save our customers from themselves. If we allow them to their own devices, they're going to crash the airplane. Right? They're going to buy the cheapest solution that's not going to help meet their needs. I'm not sure if it's for you, but if you work in sales and you absolutely positively have to double or triple the amount of money you're making in order to truly enjoy your life, click the link here. My name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University. It's the most effective sales coaching in the world. Click the link here. Check it out. You're going to see we'll give you access to an on-demand learning portal that's going to give you video coaching with me on everything you need to know to double or triple your income, or even more. Everything from prospecting to closing to handling objections and complaints to building your personal network and self-confidence. But it doesn't stop there. Click the link here. You're going to see that when you get a membership to Easton University, you're also going to have the ability to do live coaching with me twice a week. You can ask me any questions. We can work through anything you're struggling with. I will be there with you every step of the way to help you double your income in sales right now. Click the link now. You're going to see we've helped thousands of people just like you, and we have the video testimonials from them to prove it. Easton University is more than a learning portal. It's more than live coaching with me. It's your future, and you and your future are worth it. Click the link now. I'll see you at Easton University.